Today our topic is custom hook of React. React have pre-built a lot of hooks like use effect, use state, use reducer, use memo, use callback, and inside the each hook have a lot of logic React already created. So when we need custom hook, you can see a theory somewhere. When you have component logic that needs to be used by multiple components, we can extract that logic to a custom hook. If we have code we would like to extract from a component, and a custom hook might be a proper extraction if the following conditions are met. The extracted code has no JSX output. That means it doesn't show anything in the front end. If it does, if it's showing, then you should create a component instead a custom hook. The extracted code includes calls to other hooks. If it does, you should create a hook. Okay, let's see in the action. Let's put here is our index.jsx, a default that is showing the hello here. Let's pull some post from here, JSON placeholder. Let's copy this. We have to use effect. Use effect take two arguments. One is anonymous function and another is a array. And we need to use another hook called useState. Let's call it posts, then set posts. Then we can say let's call it data. Then let's show the post here. Map function. Let's show the title. And we have to pass key. Let's see if it's showing or not. There is some error. Let's see what is happening there. Our problem is we didn't pass post here. We passed to do's and only one. That is not an array. So let's pass posts and let's see the output. It's showing here. Let's make it little bit nicer. We are using Thailand CSS. Then we can say class name border bottom to border green 500 padding y to, let's see, padding x to. Okay, this is our title. So this is custom logic. We can move it another way by using custom hook. It is showing the component little bit noisy or verbose. That's why we can build a hook and move the logic in the custom hook. Let's create a hook. When we create the hook, the naming convention should first call use, then the hook name. We are fetching the post, so we can say space dot jsx. Then we can copy this data. Let's cut it from here. Then let's cut it from here as well. We have to create a function export. We have to default export function called use fetch. And we'll take a URL and we'll pass the URL here. Then we can return posts. And let's use the custom hook here. We can say use fetch and use fetch give us posts. We have to pass the URL. Let's take the URL from here. It should be posts. If everything is okay, then it should work. Let's see. Something wrong. The problem was I was lost at the internet connection. That's why the data didn't pull and it showed the error here. But it's working perfectly. So the component is much cleaner than the previous because we extracted the logic from the component to a use fetch custom hook, and it didn't show any JSX here, but only custom logic. So whenever we have to move our custom logic somewhere else, we can use custom hook.